Okay, so I went ahead and picked up the Home Edit 5-piece pantry edit from Walmart. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up and show you everything that's inside. Now, I told you guys that I'm not big on bins, but once you see my pantry area, we're gonna try to clean it up and see if this thing is gonna help me and works. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are jumping right on into this today. So I went out and purchased the Home Edit collection, the Pantry Edit, and I'm super excited. I will list below how much it was. I think it was $24 or $25 from Walmart. It comes with 2 large bins, a 3-tier riser, and 2 large insert bins. So if you are interested, keep on watching and we're going to see my pantry transformation take place. I think it was a good result. So the first thing I'm doing is emptying everything from the drawers. And a little tip here is I grabbed a laundry basket so I could just put things in to the laundry basket and move them around a lot easier. And then here I'm just cleaning the cabinets out before we begin the transformation. So a lot of the organizing process for me is a lot of moving things around. Like you can see me kind of move the bins around a few times, trying to figure out what's going to go where. And the great thing is you can still move things around later after, you finish your project or whatever. I still may change some things around, especially like after looking at this, I realized I should probably have like something like chili on hand to make if I needed to make it at the last minute. I see I need like a couple more soups for last minute like dinners. But a lot of this is just kind of like putting a puzzle together, trying to figure out where everything is going to go. Also, let me know, my pantry is set up very weird. I never thought having a drawer pantry was strange, but after watching YouTube now for a little bit, I see a lot of people have like walk-ins or like shelves. and mine is drawers. So I feel like it's very different than most people. Here I inserted a bin I got from TJ Maxx, so it's not part of the home edit line, but overall I feel like these are all very good quality. They're very strong and much cheaper than the Container Store. So this is a great time to clean out your drawers and just vacuum up some of the crumbs and whatnot. I forgot how great a magic sponge is, or I'm sorry, magic eraser. I forgot how great a magic eraser is. I had not pulled mine out in forever, and it actually like worked. I think I pull it out a little bit later because I remember I had it, and I was like, oh, let me go ahead and try it. But full disclosure, I went ahead and purchased the laundry edit already because I was like, you know what? I need some more of these in my life. I know I said I wasn't a big bin person, but turns out I kind of enjoyed this. I was like, oh, like I can see everything. Kind of gave me inspiration to do a couple more things. So the other thing about bins as well is you can move them around as your needs change. So, later on down the road, if I decide I don't need, something in my pantry anymore, I can move it to another place. They're versatile. I remember that from my other bins too. I do have a little like bin collection that I kind of use when I need them. So it's kind of nice to have those. So if you are interested in seeing the laundry edit and you haven't subscribed yet, I would love to invite you to join my little YouTube family here. And yeah. So I had forgot that I had grabbed a turntable. So this is 10 by 10 by 10 by 1.36, which doesn't really matter. That's just the rim. I do like the rims on them because I do use quite a bit of turntables throughout my house. I like them in my spice area, and I'm gonna try to use this in the drawer, but I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna like it or not. So I'm just gonna try and see, because I have a few like round things that are more like condiments that I feel like I could pull out of the bins. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna try to put it in the drawer, and we're just gonna mess around, see what happens.
I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. I can't take this anymore. You say we're done, but you still want more. Baby, what I need is you out the door. This time I'm sure, yeah, that you're a bad boy up to no good. Trying to be a man, but you're stuck in boyhood. Baby, you won't ever treat me the way you should. So it's over for good. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you.
just a little side note, I did not pull everything out all at once. To me, that's very overwhelming. So I just went drawer by drawer. You know, I emptied it, cleaned it, then I organized it. Much easier, less overwhelming. You know, I had a lot of things that had to go in different places, or I got rid of things. And so that's important to me to try to keep my sanity. Otherwise, I get overwhelmed very quickly.
I will never smile for you. You made your bed, now lie in it, baby. Rest your head, let it dream about me. Cause I'm fed up with you, crazy. I will never smile for you, smile for you, smile for you, smile for you. Yeah. I will never cry for you, cry for you, cry for you, cry for you. Oh yeah, yeah. Why do you expect me to when I'm over you?
So here I am just showing a progress, kind of the progress that I've made so far. That cabinet is a rolling cabinet that I got from the Container Store. And speaking of the Container Store, I just want to tell a quick little story. So back when I was first getting organized, I literally went to the Container Store buying all kinds of bins, all kinds of gadgets, thinking that that was the answer to all my problems. And come to find out that after I decluttered, a lot of the bins I didn't even need. I had overbought, and I was hiding my clutter versus trying to decide what I needed and what I didn't need. So that's just like a little cautionary tale of when you're getting into organizing. Bins don't solve your problems. I feel like decluttering does. So overall, I feel like these bins did work out really well. They're good quality. I feel like they made my pantry look nicer, and they might even inspire me to start filling up my pantry a little bit more, you know, in case you need like something for an emergency. So the last thing I'm doing here is just cleaning out this top shelf, and I'm going to go through that brown bin of chips and whatnot and get rid of anything that we no longer need. Alright, so here is the end. This is the final, like how I think I'm sticking with it for now. Let's see if I can just... So the home edit bins, I feel like work pretty good. I wouldn't mind going and getting some of the smaller bins for like different parts of the house, because I feel like this like big bin would be nice, but I feel like maybe in a different area, because these could have easily stayed just not in a bin, you know, the protein powders here. So I do like the can riser. I have a bamboo expandable one in my spice cabinet. Really love that one as well, but this one will work. Like I said, I don't keep a lot of food in my cupboard. So, and then down here, I did put hot chocolate back in here. We keep a big bucket of it. But I feel like it looks a lot better. I feel like it's a lot neater. I can kind of see, like, it's good to go through and like see what is expired and all that. So pretty much that's that. Thank you guys so much for watching today. And I'm curious to know if any of you guys picked up the home edit collection. If you did, let me know down in the comments below. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.